we can now see under acquisition parameters. Can you locate it? Acquisition parameter? Speak a bit louder so that I can understand you are following.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Under acquisition parameter, we have currencies and exchange rate. Why we are doing this? We are trying to fix up Indian rupee value here. So yesterday we added lot of values here. You can see we have Canadian dollar, European, all these currencies here. So I can see Indian rupees already added. Even if it is not added, let me add another currency for you. You go click on the new currency. You can find here new currency.
Yes, sir.
Click here, and here you have to enter the details about the currency. Suppose I am clicking INR, again Indian rupee. Here you have to mention the rates. Suppose I am entering 1.00. Here you have to enter the symbol. What is the symbol for your currency? So you can copy it from Google. I am simply writing R. And then you have to make this value active. Active means now this currency is active. Okay? Okay. So now we will click submit. Now our new currency value has been created, which you can see here. I just created this one. You can see the value we have created now, 24.5. 25. What time is it? Anyways, we got the value?
Yes, sir.
Created everyone?
Yes, sir.
Any query?
No, sir.
Now we will slow. Repeat. Okay. We went here, new currency. Here you write the name of currency, you write the rate, you write the symbol for the currency, and then you make it active. And then submit. So the new currency value is created. Okay? Following everyone, right?
Yes, sir.
Now we will go to again to the Koha homepage. We will go to Koha administration. Again to the same tab, acquisition parameters. Following?
Yes, sir.
But here?
Yes, sir.
Here we will go to budgets. We will click on the budget. Now we are going to create the budget that we have received. You see, yesterday we created lots of budgets. You can go click on new budget. You can choose the start date and the end date for the budget. Fine? Following? So let me choose any start date from the calendar. I am choosing some random values. You have to write the description, why, how you have received the budget or what this budget is for. Suppose you want this budget for staff development. So we have entered the dates, then we have entered the description. Now you enter the total amount of the budget. Okay? So I have entered some random amount for the budget. Then I will go make the budget active. So now this budget is ready to be used. Fine? I go click save. See, this is the budget that we created. Staff development. Can you see? Can you follow?
Yes, sir.
Please a bit louder so that I can understand.
Yes, sir.
Great. Now we have created the budget. See, this is the amount we entered. In the same budget, you go to the right side and there is this actions tab. You can find actions tab. Only one guy is finding.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Here you click add fund. You can see
Yes.
we click the add fund and now we are adding, allocating different funds for it. Fine? You have to enter some fund code. Suppose this is training and development. Can you follow till now? We have entered the fund code, fund name, amount. These are the mandatory fields. And then you can enter these details, but these are not mandatory. I am skipping for now. You simply go and then submit.
Sir, red characters are mandatory.
Red characters are mandatory fields. Now you can see under the staff development, this was the budget that we created. We have created the fund training and
Training
development.
development.
Okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Great. After we have created the budget, we have allocated the fund. Now we are ready for acquisitioning the book. So again we will go back to our home. Here we will go back to acquisition. Acquisition tab. Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Here we need to create a new vendor. You can find the new vendor tab.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here you have to enter the details about the vendor. Suppose it is I am writing some random name ABCD Publications. You can enter all these details about the publisher. Vendor is active. And we have, this is only the mandatory field, I am writing only this one. All those are the details of the publisher you can enter. And now we will save. Vendor added for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Fine, right? Now we will go and create new basket. We are creating a new basket here. Following, right?
Yes, sir.
We will now create a basket name. Suppose I want these books for, or I want these resources for, we are using training and development. Let's say faculty development. I am using this basket name faculty development. Fine. We can choose these things and create. Save. Now you can see the basket. Repeat. Oh, go. Yeah, you go ahead. So in the meanwhile, I'll explain what we have created. We have created the basket. You can read here. Faculty development for ABCD Publications. We first created vendor with the name ABCD Publications, and now we have created the basket called faculty development.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, following? Now we will go and add the resources to the basket.
Yes, sir.
We have added the vendor, we have created the basket, and now in the basket we are going to add the items. These are the options that we will get. I have only explained one of these options. Let us stick to that for now.
You can choose any option.
You can choose any option. There are a slight different methods how you can process. For example, if you are going from a suggestion. So what does this mean from a suggestion? Suppose a faculty wants this particular book in the library. concepts of physics. Let's say this is a physics department. They want concepts of physics in the library. So they will go place the suggestion request in the Koha. We have to accept it, and there from here you will get the option of from a suggestion. Okay, I will show up. First I create from an empty record. I will show this also.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay.
Now we will go to from a new empty record. We'll click here, and the new record option comes here. So the details of the catalog and all those things we have to enter here. Here you can see catalog details. Title is required, and all these items. Let me add the title. Suppose I have added a concept of physics, author agency or not. Publisher and all those details have entered. This is barcode is an important detail.
Zero banda. 1 minute. Mixture
Sir, why do we enter barcode?
Sir,
Yes.
Because we are adding the item to the basket.
Yes.
Here, barcode in the sense we are adding the new books to the library. Then why do we need
It
to?
is not a mandatory field now. You can see all the mandatory fields
But
has a red. We are adding for our convenience now so that we can search it. You can add this detail, edit later on when you receive the book and when you process it. See, this is not a mandatory field. It is a black color field. The mandatory field will be red color and required will be written along. Fine? Yes.
same question. Same.
Good. So now we have entered the barcode details. We can enter these details later on also. And then we will add item. Following everyone?
Yes, sir.
Fine till now, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then this book is added. And now we are going for accounting details. Means how much amount of book we required, what are the price and all those things will be in. This quantity, one fund we can choose. We have the fund of training and development. Currency we can choose Indian rupee. We have created INR. I am choosing INR. Here you can see vendor price, the amount of price of the book. Suppose it is 500, and the vendor is giving some 10% discount. But as soon as you click 10%, here you can see the total cost. It is 450 now. 500 is the MRP, 10% discount, 450 is the price. And then here you have the option of estimated delivery date, till when you are expecting the book to come to the library. So you can enter this detail. Suppose I am taking July 18. Say. Now we have created the book, concepts of physics. So everyone follow me here?
Yes, sir.
No problem, right?
No problem.
We have created this book, added this book to the basket that we have created, concepts of physics. You can scroll like this and see all the details that is there. This is the fund, this is the total amount, this is MRP, this is the name of the book. Now that we have added the book to the basket, we have created a basket, added the book to the basket, now we will close the basket.
Yes, sir.
Fine?
Yes, sir.
See on the top of here, we have the option of closing the basket. We'll click on close basket. And here, so now we have you are unable to generate the slip. So here was the issue. Now you can go and click this option, attach the basket to the new basket code. So Koha has this feature. Every time you are creating the basket, you have to attach this to the new basket code. You simply need to check this option and yes, close. You go to the close one and now you see. This is the book we created, right?
Yes, sir.
What happened? What is showing? duplicate values. So the book already exists. The barcode you are entering, the book already exists. Enter some other barcode to that item. So everyone following? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Where ma'am? Yes.
70.